Welcome to our new AI co-creation studio. This is a really special room. Version 1 as an organization, we're very big on the power of AI to transform, but also the power of AI to transform in partnership with people. We have a ceiling-mounted microphone. We're able to capture what's being spoken in the room, and that's going to feed into this platform, which we'll do a quick demo of. These whiteboards have cameras, so we're able to capture what's being written. We're able to plug that into AWS, Microsoft Azure. We also have some avatars in the room.
Avatars embody a personality within the workshop. The point of an avatar is to provide a different point of view, a counter-argument, a different thinking process that you may have missed or skipped, and really enrich the conversation.
We're going to help you work through some industry problems, but we're going to use the power of AI to help augment that experience.
I thought it was absolutely fantastic. I mean, it's great to see so many stakeholders from across the insurance industry come together to address a common challenge using AI technology, and to see some of the results come to life, some of the UIs, the mock-ups. It's like a design workshop in action with real-life customers. So that was absolutely fantastic.